welcome back to another video. Today we are in Ultimate Driving, and as you can see, they add a brand new, very fast supercar. We're just going to drive it. You guys probably can't hear it, but it's playing Rick Astley, and all of you have been rickrolled. You have all been rickrolled. You've been rickrolled. There's no getting out of it. As you can see, it's literally a driving Rick Astley. The faster you drive, the faster the song speeds up. If you drive really slow, the song plays slow. Drive fast, the song plays fast. It's so funny. It's literally Rick Astley. And they advertise it as a supercar. Don't forget. So we've been rickrolled. Probably one of the best rickrolls in history. As you can see, Rick Astley flips very easy. Alright, we are at spawn with our beautiful, massive Rick Astley. As you can see, they released one more car. That car is the cargo ship. I don't know if you guys remember, earlier this week, a ship got stuck in the Suez Canal. The game is now called Ultimate Boating Suez Islands. If we make a left up here, oh my, as you can see, this thing dresses very well. The ship is parked right there, and I guess that's the Suez Canal. And as you see, this thing is absolutely massive. This is just a tiny replica of it, but still the car is absolutely... Oh, no! This thing would be, like, good for roadblocks. Just set up, like, a couple of these, just... Oh, yeah, they take up the whole road. Yeah, that would do it. Yeah, that would be easy. Alright. But as you can see, this is not a fully loaded Suez ship. Oh my... This is... As you can see, it is a kind of almost a nightmare to drive. Rick Astley's a good thing to drive. I personally like it. Alright, so this April Fool's Day was kind of small and emergency was in Ultimate Driving. Very small, but hey, at least it's an update. For what I know, they are keeping the car. They are keeping both cars. Rick Astley is technically a car. But for what I know, they are keeping every both of them. Imagine if they just put, like, police lights on Rick Astley's head and chest. Yeah, now he's a police officer car. Alright, guys, that is it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. Bye-bye.